In this video, I'll show you how to delete, uninstall, delete your apps or games on your Meta Quest 3. So it's very easy, but there's also a small trick that I want to show you. So let's get started. First thing, obviously go into your app library and select whatever app or game you don't want anymore. Let's say I don't want First Encounter. This came installed with my Quest 3, but I never really liked it really. So what I will do is to press on these three dots once I'm hovering right above the app. Tap on it and then select uninstall. Then uninstall again. So once you do this, the app will be uninstalled, so it won't take any space on the memory of your headset. But the problem is that it will still show on this app library. You see, even if I quit over here and go back, I still see it. And obviously when you have many games that you have deleted over time, you see this, I deleted this, and a bunch of them that honestly I played once and I don't want to play again. It's a bit bothersome to see them over here. Unfortunately, Meta didn't do anything about it on the Meta Quest 2. It was the exact same thing, and I wish they changed something, but there's a small fix that you can do to filter only the apps that are installed on your device. So you need to select search apps and then all, and then go down until you see install and select this. And now over here in this list, you will only see the apps that are actually installed on your Quest 3. Unfortunately, you don't have the same thing over here. These will still be showed. But if you go in search apps, at least you will only see everything that is installed and those won't appear. So if from this list, let's say I want to delete something, let's say this one, if I do uninstall here, uninstall, it will completely remove it from the list. Well, I hope maybe in the future there will be an update that will allow us to completely make them disappear, but for now, and now we're in October 2023, there is no other way to do this. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if you have another trick, maybe I don't know about it, and yeah, maybe it could be useful to other people. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.